Hi, Mr. Kun Chip. I'm Ku Kai Chen. I'm a Hong Kong guy, and I'm a FedEx user. I wish you have a very healthy and happy New Year. Okay, so this is a little bit fragile, but I think FedEx can take good care of it. I wish you have a very healthy and happy New Year. This is my gift for you. Let me introduce this one. It's a typical Chinese winter worm and summer root. And this one is another kind of winter worm and summer root. This one is a very typical Chinese dry octopus. Yeah, and it is a little bit fragile, but it's okay. I think I will use FedEx, and I think they will take good care for it. Yeah, I wish you have a very healthy and happy New Year.